channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some garlic shrimp. I want you to see this bag here. These are the shrimp that I'm going to use today in this recipe. And notice it say raw, peel, deveined, and tails cut off. Okay, I'm going to show you the shrimp. Here's the shrimp here. Most of them seem like they have deveined them, but there are some that they haven't. So when you buy these shrimp, just check them to make sure that they have been deveined. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little salt to the shrimp. So that they are seasoned throughout. And the salt is only going to stay on there for just a little few minutes. Not long at all before I start cooking these shrimp. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add about a half teaspoon of salt to the shrimp and just mix them up in the bowl. And I'm going to set it aside. The shrimp has 1 carb for 4 ounces, and this is a 12-ounce bag. So should be a serving for three people. So, and it's 80 calories for 4 ounces. I added 2 garlic cloves and 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of avocado oil. I'm going to go ahead and place the shrimp in the skillet. Doesn't take the shrimp long to cook. Add a little pepper. Add a little tomatoes. When the shrimp start turning pink, they are ready. They're almost there. smells so good in here. The shrimps are ready, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the eye off. And this is a very easy recipe. When you get home, you can make this. It is a great dinner. You can also make some cauliflower rice with this, or regular rice, it's up to you. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. And thank you so much for watching.